What a shame.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get right into the video. And basically this is gonna be a lace lay and a very, very light beats. Okay, when I say light, I mean I don't even have, you know, nothing at the bottom of my face. It's mostly on my cheeks and my forehead. So first we gonna start by braiding down your hair. Just go ahead and braid it down. I did 4 plaits, nothing special. And then I slicked my edges back with some Got To Be, the yellow one. And then just blow dry them. And once they are dry, you are going to find a cap that is close to your scalp color, and you are going to use some Got To Be spray in order to hold that down. And then we're going to blow dry that. Okay, once that's dry, that is when you're going to cut off the perimeter around your edges. You want to get it as close as you can without getting too close to your hairline. Then you pull out your wig, and then you know, just fit it to your head, figure out where you want everything to be. And then from there we're gonna start the latest lace. So what I did was I cleaned my forehead with some 90% alcohol, and then after that I put down some more Got To Be glue because I didn't feel like, you know, using Bold Oat or anything like that. And then from there it lost the clip, so the next thing that you see is me starting with the makeup. Now I was truly going to leave it just like it is. Like, I was just gonna put on a little bit of concealer, put some powder on it, spray it down, and go. But I was in the mood to do some makeup, so I just was like, okay, I'll just do something slight. So right here, just cleaning up my eyebrows after you know, blending in the mascara. I said the mascara. The concealer. Okay, and now I'm adding concealer. This is caramel from the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So I'm just using that around my eyebrows, and then I just, you know, this is when I decided to go into, you know, a full little beat. So you know, just blend all of that in, and then from there, after we blend all of that in, we will be moving on to eyeshadow, which I believe I lost that clip, but you will see a video at the end before I take everything off, and I also included some pictures, so you can just see the full little beat. I think I'm gonna do it again in just like a full tutorial form with just the makeup, because it's really quick. It's just something I do when I'm trying to get out the door, but you know, I want to have on a little bit of a face. So yeah, just look out for that video. That'll be coming soon, more than likely after this video. But yeah, as I clean up my brows, it's gonna skip right to the end. And I'm so mad because that clip was so cute. Like, when I was done with the makeup, because I didn't expect it at all. Like, I was looking at the elf concealers, and I never bought them. And then something just told me to buy them. And I liked them so much that I actually made some like emergency makeup kits for my mom and my sisters. So they have that. This right here is the makeup after I had it on for maybe like 5 hours. And I did use a Milani palette that I just bought. It's the Gilded Gold. I only used 3 colors in there. It will be listed on the screen. So this is basically the end for me. Just continue to watch as I go over everything. I don't want to, you know, talk over myself. So I'm gonna just stop right here. You know, beat down or nothing like that. This is my quick, I gotta run out the door, you know, type of look, but I want to look presentable. Okay, that's what this is. So for the eye, we just got this. I use this new palette that I got from Milani. I think I showed that in the video, but it's this one, Milani Gilded Gold. Okay, And the colors that I use is the brown over there in the corner. What is it? Legacy. And I use the one up at the top. That's what's in the center. And underneath Child Bella, I use Extra Basic, which is the brown one, light brown one right there. So yeah, not, you know, nothing too much. Very, very slight. Okay, slight beat, light beat, but still beats. Okay. But yeah, and I just use my e.l.f. concealer, you know, under the eyes. I think I should. I don't know what's in there. I don't know what's not in there. That's the only reason I'm kind of trying to go through it. But yeah, that's about it. And then I, you know, just put a little wing or something with some cherry blossom lashes, 20 millimeters, and the Wet n Wild highlighter. Yeah, because that's what's not in there. I might just have to do this again one day. But yeah, I use the Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlighter. And this is a Hotline Bling. So it's a highlighter and a blush, apparently. Blush lighter. But anyway, this is the one that I use. I use this one under my eyebrows, and I used this one on my nose and my cheeks and stuff. And I also use this Milani Baked Blush. And this one is Berry Amore. And I like it because it got, like, you know, glitter and stuff in it, but it's also like, it's kind of like a highlighter and a blush. Anyway, can't get that open, and I think that's about it. I set my face with NYX and the Fit Me powder in medium dark, I think. But yeah, that's what I used. Everything came out better than I expected. Okay, you see me. Okay, but yeah, I got a headache, so I'm gonna end this right here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching.